All right, guys. Today we're going to be going over three ways to make money online in 2021. All right, let's be honest, guys. We're all looking for ways to make money, the easiest ways to make money. And the hardest part about that is online is finding out how to actually do it. And the reason that making money online has become so popular is because you don't need a college degree. You don't even need a high school diploma to do it. You just need to learn a skill. Learn a skill, master a skill, and then from that skill, you can master more skills. And I can say that, I graduated from high school. I joined the Army right out of high school. Then I went into the trades after that. And coming into this industry, I had no idea what the heck I was doing on a computer. But after hours and hours of spending watching YouTube videos till 2 in the morning when I should have been sleeping with my wife, yeah, I was learning how to do, something as easy as making YouTube videos. What seems easy to you, but to me, it still is very, very foreign. All right, so let's get to it. The number one way is offering your services online. Learn a skill online, master something. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm on a website called Fiverr. So yeah, as you can see here, you can just go learn how to build thumbnails. These people are building thumbnails. This guy sells three YouTube thumbnails, guaranteed in 24 hours, just for $10. How many times could you do that a day? I'm pretty bad at building thumbnails, as you could probably see by my videos, and that takes me 5 minutes per, but that's just not a skill I've mastered yet. I'll get there, as it is very important to have good thumbnails on your YouTube videos. Master video editing, master Photoshop, anything, and then you could sell your goods on this website here on Fiverr. The internet reaches millions and millions of people a day, and this is a good way to get your product out there. If you can just learn one simple skill. All right, and the second way to earn money online in 2021 would be products. You know, um, Whether you're selling a digital product or a physical product. Physical products obviously are going to take more time and more money and more effort than it would to sell a digital product. You can just do tons more digital products than you ever could do a physical product, unless you hire a crew to mass produce something, of a physical product that you think you could sell online. But with digital products, it's endless what people are looking for. You could build websites for people. You could build a sales funnel for somebody, and then bring it to their business and advertise and market to them that you can bring more business to their business with a sales funnel. The sales funnels can capture email. Which in return brings back reoccurring business. So you could literally be the physical product that you're promoting online, and your physical product is making digital products. You can get Google certified. If you master how to make sales funnels, you can get Google certified, and then companies can hire you out to make sales funnel for them. And I've seen on there's guys that are charging hundreds of dollars an hour to build sales funnels. So that's an option that you can do in the digital field. Really, it's endless. Just pick something that you want to do that you think you could be good at and master it and exploit it online. All right, and this is gonna be a short video, but the third one is people. Right? You have to have people. You could have the best product in the world, but if you don't have the people to view it or see it or use it, or I should say the following to use it or see it, it does no good. It does you no good at all. You need to build a relationship with people, because they're going to be more likely to buy from a physical person than they are just some random dude in a video trying to sell them a vacuum cleaner or, anything that you try to sell in a video. If you can build a relationship with your fans can turn into customers. And ideally, what everybody wants is for customers to turn into friends and repeat customers. That's the way of business. And without physically meeting a person and like myself, if you just keep coming back to my video, eventually you'll feel like you're getting to know me, the type of person I am, how I carry myself. And the best way for me to gain the trust of the viewers is just keep offering free content. Just like me making this video right now, hopefully I can reach somebody and they can say, hey, I'm pretty good at Photoshop, or I'm pretty good at editing videos, or man, I can make these thumbnails super easy. And people are, this one here is starting at 95 bucks. Well, she's a graphic designer, but YouTube banners, 25 bucks. You could design 5 YouTube banners in a day for people, and that'd be $125. So, guys, just get out there, do what I do, or do what I did, do what I still do. Do what I do, stay up late at night, sit on YouTube and just learn skills. Get out there and apply them. There's always going to be somebody looking for digital products. And if you're into physical products, hey, more power to you. Build them. But like I said, I'm gonna keep this video short. Thanks for taking the time to stop by. If you like this video, maybe drop a comment down below. Make money. Just comment, make money below. And subscribe. And if you want to see some of my other videos, you can just click on that. All right, guys, thanks for your time and have a great night.